So question 22 is about public goods, and what I've done over here is public goods are normally missing markets and hence the state has to provide them. A good example is military. A good example is defense, yes, one of the things, and governance. Why? Because in the private market they will not be affordable by a single person. Yes, there are some examples of private militias that can be argued for. So let's come back to the question. Public goods are missing markets and hence the state has to provide them, and is in their absence a working market for the product is unlikely to become established, hence the case for market failure, and the answer is A. Sometimes people will argue for the NHS and school education system. Let me tell you, those are provided by the free markets. However, they are merit goods and very little is provided because people cannot afford them, and that is the straight provision for those merit goods. However, private markets do fail to provide defense because the expenditure is too high for a single consumer to afford it, and they are normally funded by the taxes. But then, as I've said, in Africa, in parts of Africa, there are private militias.